Kendall, are you ready for some green beans? No, don't get her to do that right now. No, Louie. You like that? Kendall doesn't like homemade baby food. Yum, huh? Kendall, is that yummy?
Kendall.
Mmm. Try this bite. Is that really good? That's yummy, huh? Let me see. Try this bite. Drama queen. Drama queen. That's yummy, huh? Here's the bite. Oops. Kendall Rain, come on. It's good. Not a fan of the texture of homemade baby food. Stinker. Kendall Rain. Here's a good bite. Here, baby. Kendall, let me, oh, don't spit it all out, Rotten. You like it?